Hello traders. Welcome to KP Technical.
Budget day strategy for Nifty and Bank Nifty on 15 minutes chart. Mark high and low of 12 p.m. candle, i.e. from 12 to 12:15 p.m. candlestick. Rules for buy: if breaks high of that 12 p.m. candle, then buy with SL of low of that candle. If no movement and hits stop loss, then reverse the position. Rules for sell: if breaks low of that 12 p.m. candle, then sell with SL of high of that candle. If no movement and hits stop loss, then reverse the position.
For more stock market updates, subscribe KP Technical.